Apple's relentless march toward innovation continues with the release of iOS 26 Beta 8, the 8th developer preview of what promises to be a game-changing update for iPhone users. If you've been eagerly waiting to see what Apple has in store for its flagship mobile operating system, this is the moment to pay attention. The official launch of iOS 26 is expected in about a month, and if early beta versions are any indication, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting updates yet. But here's where it gets controversial. Not everyone agrees on whether these changes are truly improvements or just unnecessary tweaks. Let's dive into the details. According to Apple, iOS 26 will bring a stunning new design, powerful Apple Intelligence capabilities, new ways to stay connected in the phone and messages apps, and exciting updates to CarPlay, Apple Music, Maps, and Wallet. Sounds impressive, right? But as with any major software overhaul, the devil is in the details. Each beta version has introduced incremental updates, some of which have sparked heated debates among developers and testers. Take, for instance, iOS 26 Beta 2. This version focused heavily on refining the user interface, with key improvements like enhanced legibility in the control center, better menu organization in Safari, and stronger accessibility options through the addition of borders in high contrast mode. These changes were widely praised for making the iPhone more inclusive and easier to navigate for users with visual impairments. However, not all updates have been met with universal acclaim. Fast forward to iOS 26 Beta 3, which made waves by adding opaqueness to some of the overly transparent tab bars while introducing fresh wallpaper colors. While some users appreciated the aesthetic shift, others felt it disrupted the sleek, minimalist design Apple is known for. Interestingly, Beta 4 reversed these changes, reinstating the transparency that had become a hallmark of earlier designs. This back-and-forth approach has left many wondering, is Apple experimenting too much? Or are they simply fine-tuning based on feedback? And this is the part most people miss. Software development is inherently iterative, but that doesn't mean every decision will sit well with the public. Speaking of decisions, Beta 4 also reintroduced notification summaries for news and entertainment apps, a feature powered by Apple Intelligence. Initially paused due to concerns that text summaries might alter the meaning of headlines, its return signals Apple's confidence in addressing those issues. But does this feature truly enhance the user experience, or does it risk oversimplifying important content? It's a question worth pondering. By the time iOS 26 Beta 5 rolled around, Apple seemed to be actively listening to user feedback. They brought back the beloved Select button in Mail, added an option to revert to the classic camera mode swipe direction, and implemented several other tweaks. Beta 6, however, removed the camera swipe direction toggle altogether, instead focusing on faster animations, 5 brand new ringtones, and performance optimizations. These changes highlight Apple's ongoing balancing act between innovation and familiarity. In Beta 7, Apple surprised users with a new Drafts section in Messages, allowing for easier management of unsent messages. This small but thoughtful addition underscores Apple's commitment to enhancing everyday usability. Later today, we can expect this same build to align with the upcoming iOS 26 public Beta 5 release, giving non-developers a chance to test drive these features firsthand. So, is your iPhone ready for iOS 26? The good news is that the update will support devices as old as the iPhone SE, second generation, and iPhone 11. However, if you're using an iPhone XR, XS, or XS Max, this will be your last rodeo. iOS 18 marks the end of the line for those models. If you want access to the latest features and design enhancements, upgrading your device may be necessary. On the flip side, older iPhones will still receive critical security updates for the foreseeable future. Keep in mind, though, that advanced features leveraging Apple Intelligence require hardware from the iPhone 15 Pro series or newer. As always, our team at 9 to 5 Mac will keep a close eye on every single change introduced in iOS 26 beta and beyond. We'll document everything so you don't miss a beat. Want to join the conversation? Drop us a tip at tips@9to5mac.com. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Before you go, let's stir the pot a little. Do you think Apple is innovating too quickly, or are they striking the perfect balance between progress and practicality? Share your opinions in the comments below. We're eager to hear what you have to say.